Assalamu alaikum. Myself Ahkam Ansari. A student, I am back again with yet another video lecture of information technology. In this particular video lecture, I will be talking about a new topic in JavaScript. In our previous lecture, we have started operators, but in that lecture we have seen arithmetic operators. Okay, so in that arithmetic operator we have seen basic arithmetic operation like addition, multiplication, division, subtraction, and we have seen one of the important operator, that is modulus. Okay, so modulus, as we know, modulus is used to find the remainder. Okay, so this thing we have completed. I hope you could understand what we have learned in previous lecture. Now our focus is in today's lecture, that is relational operator. Okay, this topic, that is a arithmetic operator, we have completed, and now we are moving towards relational operator. As arithmetic operator, again there is n number of the symbol given by the JavaScript which is used inside the relational operators. We will see one by one. Okay, so let's have a look. These are some symbol used in relational operator. As we know, relational means what? We need to have certain relation between two operands or more than two operands. The operands can be any. For example, if you notice that there are two operands, A is operand and B is operand, so there is a relation. What type of relation we have? This symbol indicates the relation. Okay, so that symbol is nothing but a relational operator or an operator which come under the category of relational operator. Okay, so these are some operators which come under the category of relational operator, and they have certain meanings. So let's have look each by one. So first one, that is a less than symbol. Okay, that is less than symbol. So if you use this symbol, so it will consider as a less than. So this is called as a less than. And if you see in example, A less than B. Okay, A less than B. So the output of relational operator. So we have n number of the relational operator, we have n number of the types. So output or result of relational operator is always either true or false. Means in a relational operator, if we use relational operator, we can find a result, and that result can be in the form of either true or false. For example, if I say A is less than B, if I am asking a question, A is less than B, so your answer will be yes sir, is it correct, or is it not correct, it is false, or it is true. For example, if you consider this example, right, I have taken two variables or two operands, that is A and B. The value of A is 10 and the value of B is 30. Now put these value inside this example, this expression. Okay, so A, what is the value of A? Okay, the value of A is 30. So keep A as a 30, and the value of B, the value of A is 10. Okay, and the value of B is 30. So if I say 10 is less than 30, if I am asked a question, student, tell me whether 10 is less than 30, what is the answer? So you will say, sir, it is false. You will say it is false, or on the basis of your value you can find. If I take A equal to 10, so 10 is less than 30, the answer is true. Okay, if I put A equal to 30 and B equal to 10, and again I will ask question whether A is less than B, again your answer will be false, because now A is 30. Are you getting my point? Means the result of a relational operator is always either true or false. Okay, so this symbol, please student, please keep in mind the meaning and the importance and the application of these symbols, because these are very useful and in your programming language, not only in JavaScript but also in other programming language. These operators are very useful, and I think most of the operating language support these symbols or these operator, and the meaning is almost same. Okay, in every language the meaning of this operator is almost same. So This symbol is called as a less than symbol. This symbol is just opposite of that is a greater than symbol. In the same way, now in this line, that is the third line, you will find two operators, that is a less than equal to. Okay, so it will start from left hand side, and all English language or what we are learning, it will start from left hand side. So now we have to start from less than and equal to. Okay, so this symbol or this operator is called as a less than equal to. Okay, so if I move to this example, so here you are asking A is less than or equal to. A is less than equal to B, means here you are checking two things, either it can be less than or it can be equal to. Okay, either it can be less than or it can be equal to. That's why it's called less than equal to. In the same way, again, greater than equal to means either it can be greater than or it can be equal to. We will see this by using some example. Don't worry. Just right now, the main thing is that you have to you have to read and you have to understand and you have to remember this symbol. Okay. The thing is that just keep in your memory the meaning and the application of this symbol. If you use this symbol, what is the mean by that symbol and how it will be applicable in your programming language, and what is the purpose or application of these symbols or operator. So first one is less than, greater than, then less than equal to, greater than equal to, then equal to, and not equal to. Okay. Okay. So it's a less than, it's a greater than. Now we have two symbols, that is a less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, and now we have equal to or assignment operator two times. That is equal to, or sometimes it's called the equal to. Okay. Now what is difference between this equal to and double equal to? Okay, this equal to, you know, this is the assignment operator. Again, it's an assignment operator, but it's a twice. Okay, it's written twice. So now it's become equal to symbol. So what is the different? If I write A equal to 10, the first one, you know, what is A equal to 10? Here, this symbol is used to assign some value to this variable, and that value is 10. Means here you are assigning some value. This operator is called as an assignment operator. Okay. Now if you have two operator, that is an equal to operator, so this operator is used to compare two value. Okay, this is not used for assignment. This value, this operator is used to compare values. Okay, compare values means this is comparison. This operator is used for comparison. Okay, so this is called as a equal to, or sometimes it's called as a equal to. Then this symbol, okay, this symbol is nothing but not symbol or not. I just want to show you in Notepad. Okay, this symbol is called as a not symbol. This symbol, let me zoom it, increase the size. Okay student, this symbol is called as a not. Okay, and if you put one assignment operator, now it's become not equal to. Okay, not equal to. So again the result will be either true or false. Okay, so don't worry if you don't getting anything till now, no issue. Okay, no issue. I will tell you the application, the use of all this operator. Just for time being, just try to remember these operators, this symbol, and just try to know or learn the name and meaning of this. Okay, the name of this operator is less than, then greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to, not equal to. Okay, I will show you the objective, the purpose, the application. Let me show you by using coding. So I am moving towards coding, and in that coding I will show you how these operators can be used and what is the result, what is the output of this operator. So I will simply create a simple HTML page in which I will add JavaScript, some JavaScript code, then I will use that operator and I will show you the result of this operator and the application of this operator. So I am moving to my desktop and I will search Notepad. Okay, so this is my Notepad application where I am going to write HTML coding. Okay, so in HTML I will add JavaScript. So this is the basic thing which I have to write to create any HTML page. There is a opening HTML tag and closing HTML tag. Between that I have to add some other tag, that is a head tag and closing head tag. Okay, then I will add one of the most important tag, that is a body tag, because whatever you write between opening and closing body, it will display on your page. So this is the some basic HTML tag. Now I am going to add one h1 tag, h2 tag I am going to take. Okay, inside that I am going to write relational operators. Okay, let me save the file. Okay, I am going to save on desktop and I am going to give as a name as a oppo.html. Oppo. Okay, you can take any name, and I am going to bg color equal to red. And text equal to white. Let me save the file. Flip back to your desktop so you can find your oppo.html. This is your file. Now you will notice that you have just created a brand new HTML page. The background color of that page is red and the text color is white. That's why this text is written in white color. Okay, now I am going to add JavaScript page. So I will simply add a script tag. I will add a script and closing script. Okay, this is my script tag. Okay, so by using this script tag, you can use this script tag inside the head tag or you can use inside the body tag, but I use inside the head tag. Now which scripting language you are using? By using language attribute, you have to mention language equal to JavaScript. Okay, so you have used language attribute, okay, in which you have mentioned which language you are going to use, that is a JavaScript. Now I will take two variables, where a, okay, equal to, I will take 50, where b equal to, I will take 80. So I have taken two variables. Okay student, right now I think you don't have any issue till now, because we have just completed HTML page. Now by using this line, that is a script line, I have added a script, that is JavaScript, and inside JavaScript I have declared two variables. The name of first variable is a and the name of second variable is b. At the same time I have assigned some value to that variable. So if I explain this line, I have explained a number of the time, but those who are new, I just want to explain this line. Okay, so you will understand what is the meaning of this line. So I have written where, that is a where is a keyword. okay, is a reserved word by JavaScript, because this line of code, between these two, there is a opening and closing of script tag. Okay, whatever you write inside that, between these two tag, that is a opening script and closing script, it will be considered as a JavaScript. And JavaScript is a case sensitive, and JavaScript have its own rules and regulation and syntax. Okay, so you have to write according to JavaScript. Okay, if you write anything which is against the JavaScript rules and regulation, it will generate an error, or it will not perform your program perfectly. Okay, so you have to use JavaScript. So if you want to declare any variable inside JavaScript, JavaScript says please write var. Okay, before declaring any variable, please write var. Okay, so JavaScript compiler or JavaScript interpreter will understood that you are going to declare a variable. Then give some name. You want to declare a variable, okay, use var as a keyword to declare and assign some name. So you can mention any name. This thing we have done, but still I am explaining this thing because right now you are in a standard 11. Maybe you have not watched my previous videos. So those who are now, again I am repeating this thing. So var a, what is a? A is a name of variable. Okay, then you have used assignment operator equal to symbol. Then you have assigned some value. So inside a you are storing a value that is 50. In the same way, again I am declared second variable, that is a b. The same pattern is same. Var is a keyword, then name of variable is b, and then I have assigned some value that is a 80. So now I have declared two variable. In that we have stored some value. And what is the function, what is the purpose, and what is the use of variable? Variable is used to store temporary value. Okay, so we have used that variable, we have declared, and we have already stored the value. Now I am going to perform some arithmetic. We have done arithmetic. I am going to perform relational operators. Okay, so we have seen some relational operators. Okay, we have seen this one, that is a less than, we have seen. Okay, then greater than we have seen, then less than equal to we have seen, then greater than equal to we have seen. Okay, so this thing we have seen. Then at the end we will see not equal to. Okay, these are the relational operator we have seen in our theory part. Now we are moving toward its practical. So this line will not execute, student. Why? Because before that I have put double forward slash. This line considered as a comment. Okay, now I am going to use these operator. So I am just going to write alert. Okay, what is mean by alert? Alert is nothing but a JavaScript method, built-in method, okay, which is used to display alert box with some message. Okay, what is alert box? Alert box is nothing but some message, some pop-up message with a box. Okay, some message with a box which alert you. Okay, which alert you. For example, when you go and log in your Gmail account or in your Facebook account, if you enter some wrong information or some wrong ID and password, after when you click on submit button or login button, you will get an alert box. In that you may notice that there is something written called incorrect ID or password. Then after that you will get two button, that is OK and cancel button. So this box is called as a alert box. Okay, I just want to show you this alert box. Let me show this. If I save the file, I have saved this file. Flip back to this. See, this box is called as a alert box. Student, if you are noticing that this box is called as a alert box, where you have one OK button. Okay, right now we don't get any message. Okay, right now we don't get any message because we have not written anything on our alert box bracket. So if you write anything like KMS I have written, now you will notice that this alert box contain, let me refresh the page. Now you are getting KMS is written over here. Okay, so alert box is nothing but a box which a message and a OK button. So it is also used to display something or display alert message. Okay, again I am going back to my notepad file. Now I have to use this values inside the alert box. So if I write A and I am going to use this symbol, okay, A is less than B, I am asking to browser, I am asking please show the result, please show the result. This method, this alert method will show an alert box, okay. Or if you are getting confused, so I am going to use the oldest method as a document dot write, which we have seen in our previous example, okay. Please don't forget the alert. Document dot write we have seen in number of the time. What is document dot write? Document is a object, and what is write? Write is a method which is used to display anything. What you want to display, just mention inside that. So you want to display whether A is less than B. What you want to display? You want to ask the browser, you want to ask the JavaScript interpreter whether A is less than B. Okay, this symbol is called as a less than. So you are asking, so it will answer, it will put the value of A as a 50 and the value of B put as a 80. So it will calculate, okay, it will calculate, the JavaScript interpreter will calculate this this expression and it will answer, okay. So and its answer will be in true and false. What will be its answer? If the condition is true, if the expression is true, it will display true and false message, okay. Either it will be true or it will be false. After evaluation of this expression, the result will be either true or false. So let's check. For example, the A is 50, so it will put A as a 50 and B as a 80. So it will check 50 is less than 80. So what is answer? Answer is true. Yes, of course, 50 is less than 80. So let me save the file and now flip back to your browser. Let me refresh the page. I will press F5. Now you will notice, let me zoom the file. On top of the page you are getting true, okay. This one is coming from H2 you have used inside the HTML, and this true is coming from JavaScript. And which JavaScript? From this coding. Means you have declared two variables, the value of A is 50 and the value of B is 80. Now in this line you want to display something. This line is used to display something. What you want to display? You want to display the calculation of this expression, okay. And we know the calculation and the result of the expression will be either true and false. Why? Because it's a relational operator and the result of relational operator is always true and false. Means we are going to check, we are going to compare two, we are going to check the relation, which one is greater, which one is the greatest, okay. So if we have more than one variable or operand, we can perform this thing, but right now we have only two. So we have in starting, so we will use only two operators right now, the two operands or two variables, okay. So now you get the clear picture what is mean by this symbol. This symbol is used to check less than, or mean is less than. So if you put A is less than, how you could read? You will start from left hand side. So A is less than B, means you are asking, you are checking whether the value of A is less than B or not. Means you are asking a question whether the value of A is less than value of B. So if you save the file, currently the value of A is 50 and the value of B is 80. So 50 is less than 80. So your condition is true, means you will get true result. So you are getting true result, okay. If you change the value, instead of 50, now I am going to put 150, okay. I am going to put 150. Now the value of A is 150. So value of A is 150. So 150 is less than 80. Is it true? Is it correct? 150 is less than 80. No, it's not correct. It's a false. Now you will notice that the answer is in false. Let me refresh the file. See, now your answer is in false. Okay. In the same way, you can put greater than symbol. Now I have put greater than symbol. Now A is greater than B. Okay. What is the value of A? Value of A is 150 and value of B is 80. Now you will get true result. Okay. Now you will get true. Let me refresh the page. Now you are getting true. Okay. In the same way, I am going to use less than equal to. Okay. Less than equal to. So A is less than equal to. So means when it will true, the value, when this expression become true, when the value of A is either less than or equal to. Okay, because we have both the operator, one is less than and one is equal to. So this condition will be true when the value of A is either less than or equal to B. Okay, so currently the value of A is 150. It is not equal to and not less than. So right now you will get result as a false. Let me save the file. Let me show the result. Refresh. Now you are getting false. Okay, now if you change the value, for example, put 80. Put 80. A equal to 80 and B equal to 82. Now you are checking the value of A is less than or equal to B. Less than equal to B. Either it can be less than or it can be equal to. So 80 is not less than, but it is equal to. Okay, 80 is equal to. So now the second condition is true. Okay, means it is satisfied the second operator, that is equal to. In this case, your answer will be, your result will be true, because it's not greater than. If it is greater than, then the condition will be false. We have two things. One is it can be either less than or it can be equal to. So 80 equal to. Let me save the file, then you will get the clear picture what is the use. Okay. So now it is coming true because 80 equal to 80. Getting? In the same way, if you write greater than equal to, okay, greater than equal to means it can be, A can be greater than or A can be equal to. So it is equal to. Again, still it will show the true result because it is equal to condition is satisfying. No change in result, it is true. But if it is less than, for example, A is 17. Now it is neither equal to nor greater. Okay, when this condition will true, either it can be equal to or it can be greater, but A is not equal to nor greater, it is less than. Now your result will be false. Okay, when I refresh, you will notice that your result become false. Okay student, now the last one we are moving towards not equal to. Okay, not equal to, this one, that is not equal to. So I am going to put not equal to. Now when this condition will true, A not equal to B. A not equal to B. When this condition will true, when both the value are not same. Okay, that time it will display true, but if both condition are same, in that case it will display false. Okay, I have saved the file. Okay, currently it's showing true, and when both the values are 80 and 80, Now it become false. Okay, hope you could understand what we have learned today. It is very important, students, please do practice, because you, if you practice these operators, this thing, this is something like mathematics. By practice you can learn perfectly, but if you just watch the video, I think it is very easy to learn, to understand, but if you don't do practice, I don't think you could do better in JavaScript or in any programming language. Okay, these are the very important operators, these are very useful in programming language. Without these operators, no programming language can be completed. Okay, so please learn. If you have any query related to these operators or arithmetic operator which we have learned in our previous lecture, feel free to post your comment. Inshallah, I will try to answer it. Now I am going to close today's session. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned with this channel, many things to come. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.